The first reading today presents to us a sad chapter in the life of King David. He was anointed by God but was found guilty of adultery, having a relation with Bathsheba, deception with Uriah, and murder. But God is faithful to David. Hindi siya nagpadaig. He did not kill the seed planted in his heart, so that God blessed his line, and even in the line of David, Jesus was born. He did not focus on the sad chapter on his life. He focused all the more that God is not done with the story. God will make the story good in the end. A faithful God whose presence, the seed in our hearts, is the answer to all both the sad and happy chapters in our life. Tignan ninyo yung ating buhay. Pag may kasalanan, may kapatawaran ang Diyos. Pag may kahirapan, may karamay tayo, at yun ang Diyos. Pag kamatayan nga, meron din siyang sagot, kalangitan, buhay na walang hanggan. Sa kasiyahan, meron tayong kasama, at sa lahat ng antas ng buhay, meron tayong Kristong kaagapay.